In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a subscribe form in WordPress step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want to grow your email list, keep visitors updated, or build a loyal audience directly from your website. We'll be doing this using the built-in WordPress block editor, so there's no complicated coding involved. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress website and head over to your dashboard. This is the main control center of your site, where you manage pages, posts, and all of your content. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages on your website. Next, choose the page where you want to add the subscribe form. This could be your home page, a blog page, or even a dedicated landing page. Click on the page title to open it in the WordPress editor. After the page loads, you'll be inside the block editor, which allows you to add and customize content using blocks. Now, look for the block inserter icon. It's usually a plus sign located at the top of the editor or inside the content area of your page. Click on that plus icon to open the block menu. This is where you can add new elements like text, images, buttons, and forms. Once the block menu opens, click into the search bar and type the word subscribe. WordPress will automatically show you available subscribe or newsletter blocks. Depending on your setup, this may be a default WordPress subscribe block or one provided by your theme or plugins. Click on the subscribe block to insert it into your page. After adding the subscribe form, you can now customize it to fit your needs. You can change the text, adjust the layout, and decide what information you want users to enter, such as their email address. You can also modify colors, alignment, and spacing so it matches your website's design. Take a moment to preview how it looks and make sure everything feels clear and user-friendly. Once you're happy with the subscribe form, click the Update or Publish button to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add a subscribe form in WordPress and start collecting subscribers directly from your website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.